Bihan ni Bel ng I love you.
Ay! Pag si Belinda, syempre.
Anong sabihin mo?
Ha? O syempre, I love you too.
Tapos ang laban.
Pero curious ako.
I love you. Paano kung ganun ka sinabihan ni Bel ng I love you?
Ay! Pag si Belinda, syempre.
Anong sabihin mo?
Ha? O syempre, I love you too.
Tapos ang laban.
Pero
You know, so I pray that all your wishes come true. You know, everyone's here supporting you, and I just wish nothing but the best for you. And I know you're gonna reach so many things, so many great things. And I hope you become the person you aspire to be. Yes.
Thank you, then. Thanks for being...
Yes.
Ano naging reaction mo
Sa
nun?
shoot kami, syempre natuwa ako. I saw how he judged in Showtime, and from there on, I saw that he was actually capable of doing that full-time show na
Right.
napaka wow big talaga, and I'm just so excited to see it and watch it.
Sinabi lang din ni Donnie na okay daw na may space ng konti para pa nag-reunite kayo, na miss ng fans, may growth, may experience.
Yeah, I believe, wow. I believe that distance makes the heart grow fonder.
Oh,
as well.
in fact, ikaw daw ang
I make the face.
We make the sound.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
One, two, three, go.
Pwede ano? I make the sound, we change face.